Hi there. Today we'll be looking at Chemistry 101, Balancing Equations. This is a GCSE exam favourite, so it's good. Right, let's get started. Here's our chemical equation. Cool. So, here's our chemical equation. On both sides, the chemical formula is correct, but the numbers do not match. The number of atoms on both sides are not matching. So, let's see. We got our left hand side and our right hand side. So, let's do a quick count. Hydrogen. We've got 4 elements on each side, as it should have. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and sodium. Sodium, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, let's count. Hydrogen. We've got 1, 2, 3. 3 hydrogen, sulfur, 1. Oxygen, 4, 5. And sodium, 1. Other side, sodium, 2. Sulfur, 1. Oxygen, 5. And hydrogen, 2. Our hydrogens and our sodiums are not balancing. So, let's fix this. But let's go over some rules. What can we change and what can't we change? Can we do this? Put this number, change the element, oxygen. We cannot. But what we can do is put a number in front of it. That's one thing we can do. That's the only thing we're allowed to do when balancing an equation. Put any number. And then we need times. So now, for example here, before there were 2 sodiums. With 6 in front, there's now 12 sodiums, 6 sulfurs, and 24 oxygens. That's how it goes. Multiply by this number. In this case, there's right now just a 1. So just multiply, and that's how you get. And don't forget to add up all the other guys too. Okay? This guy needs to go down. This guy needs to go down. Okay. Anyway. So, let's balance it. We've got a shortage of hydrogen over here. Right? What can we do for this? For starters, we could bring it up. We could put a 2 over here, can't we? So now how many hydrogens are there? There's no other hydrogens anywhere else. So we got 2, 2. We've now got 4 hydrogens. How much oxygens have we got? We have a 4 here, and we have another 2 here. That gets us with 6. What's unbalanced now? Oxygen is unbalanced. Hydrogen still unbalanced, yes. And still our sodium is. Now, what other fella has all those 3? Or how else can we get? So let's just target off our hydrogen. We have 4 here, we need another one. Over here, if we get this involved, it's 2 hydrogen. Straight away, we're going to get 2 more. So let's put a 2 here, so we just get 1 more hydrogen. We've got another hydrogen here. Can you see? Now that's 2. Total count, 4. Hydrogens are matching. But wait, we've altered the whole thing. Not just our hydrogen. The whole thing is altered. So now how much sodium is left? Sodium goes to 2. Boom, sodium is matching. Now how much oxygen is there? We got 4 here, and another 2 coming, right? Total 6. And now it's good. Right? It all matches. Now, other questions, they won't be so fortunate. They would most likely have millions other products. Not millions, but you know. And it'll be a bit harder to go with. But this is the basic example. In this, what we are doing is we are just following the rule that in this reaction, no other elements can be created nor destroyed. Nothing can come, nothing can go. No new ones, no losing old ones, right? We're just preserving. So if you see from here, this and our original one, right? Chemically, they are the same. Except this is not proper because new atoms come and new atoms go, as you saw, right? But this is the same chemical equation, the same formula, except it is mathematically, not mathematically, but it's correct because we have balanced. It's a balanced off formula. Okay? Yeah. And the rule, you can only put numbers in front of them. Only numbers in front of them, right? So these are the highlights. Only numbers in front of them, right? You cannot put numbers here. You cannot change the element themselves, just the numbers in front of them. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'll make a more detailed video on balancing equations, but for GCSEs and all, I'm thinking this is pretty much all you need. I'll make a more in-depth one and cover more examples later on. But yeah, cool.